When doing a vehicle alignment, forgetting this one simple step could cause serious damage to the power steering system. Find out what and why in this week's episode of CRP Inside the Brands. Hi again, I'm Todd Ciccone, CRP's Automotive Brand Manager for AAE. We've seen some claims come in where a shop is reporting oil leaks or a premature failure of the rack. Upon closer inspection, we learned in most of these cases, a simple part of the install was overlooked, causing initial damage to the boot and more serious problems later on. To show you what I'm talking about, I have an AAE rack here, along with the inner tie rod and the boot pre-installed. Once you swapped out the new parts for your repairs and go to do your alignment, you need to remember to loosen this clamp here. If you don't, as you rotate the inner tie rod to do the alignment, the boot will twist along with the tie rod, causing kinks. You may not notice this at the time, but once that car gets out on the road, several hundred cycles are going to cause that boot to tear. When this happens, debris is going to enter the boot, causing scoring of the rack, which will lead to premature failure, which will be shown as an oil leak on the ground. To avoid all of this, just make sure to loosen that clamp on the inner tie rod, do your alignment, then re-tighten that clamp. Hopefully this reminder helps you avoid any future comebacks. To learn more about new and reman racks, as well as other power steering parts from AAE, visit aaesteering.com. See you next time on Inside the Brands.